In the early 1900s, when horses ruled the streets and the sky belonged only to birds, two brothers in Dayton, Ohio, dared to believe something impossible. Wilbur and Orville Wright were not rich. They were not famous. They owned a small bicycle shop. But inside that tiny workshop lived a dangerous idea. What if humans could fly? The world laughed. Scientists doubted. Investors refused. They failed. Again and again. Wings broke. Machines crashed. The wind destroyed their prototypes. But on December 17th, 1903, in the cold winds of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the impossible happened. Their flying machine lifted off the ground. For 12 seconds, humanity left the Earth. That moment changed the world forever. Today, millions fly across continents in hours. And it all started with two brothers who refused to quit.